Ohio wrongful death statute explained by injury law firm. Ohio wrongful death lawsuit claims arise when a person's death is caused by a wrongful act or someone else's negligence, giving surviving family members the right to pursue justice through the courts. Under Ohio Revised Code Chapter 2125, these claims are civil, not criminal, actions that allow families to seek compensation for the financial and emotional losses caused by a preventable death. Only a personal representative of the deceased person's estate can file a wrongful death lawsuit, but the action is brought for the benefit of the surviving spouse, children, parents, and other dependents. The law recognizes that these family members suffer real and measurable harm when they lose a loved one due to another's carelessness or misconduct. Wrongful death cases are handled in civil court, but any settlement or verdict must ultimately be approved by the probate court, which oversees how the recovery is distributed among beneficiaries. The statute defines who may benefit, what damages may be recovered, and how long a family has to act under the state's strict statute of limitations. It also includes special provisions for deaths caused by medical malpractice or defective products, where unique deadlines may apply. Together, these rules form the foundation of Ohio's wrongful death system, ensuring that families have a clear legal path to accountability and recovery after an avoidable tragedy. This video aims to help families understand and apply this statute to pursue rightful compensation and accountability through Ohio's civil and probate courts. If you suffered the loss of a loved one due to the negligence of another party, contact Piscitelli Law Firm for a free legal consultation with an experienced Ohio injury lawyer. What is the difference between a wrongful death case and a survival action in Ohio? A wrongful death claim compensates surviving family members for their personal losses, such as loss of companionship, financial support, and emotional suffering, after a loved one's death. A survival action, on the other hand, allows the deceased person's estate to recover damages the person could have claimed if they had lived, including pain and suffering or lost wages before death. The key distinction is who benefits. Wrongful death damages go directly to family members, while survival action damages go to the estate and are distributed according to probate rules. Both actions can be filed together to achieve full justice for the harm caused by the negligent party. Who can file a wrongful death lawsuit under Ohio law? Under Ohio law, a wrongful death lawsuit must be filed by the personal representative of the deceased person's estate, not by individual family members. This representative acts on behalf of the close family members who are legally entitled to benefit from the case. The probate court ultimately determines how any award of financial compensation is divided among those who suffered losses due to the death. Ohio's wrongful death statute prioritizes the spouse, children, and parents, but other family members may also qualify if they can prove dependency or loss of inheritance rights. Those who may benefit from a wrongful death lawsuit include the surviving spouse of the deceased, children, whether biological or legally adopted, parents of the deceased, if no spouse or children survive, other family members, such as siblings or grandparents, who can prove financial dependency or loss of support. How long do I have to file a wrongful death lawsuit in Ohio? In Ohio, families generally have 2 years from the date of their loved one's death to file a wrongful death lawsuit, known as the Statute of Limitations. This time period is established under Ohio Revised Code 2125.2 and serves as a strict deadline for initiating legal action. Missing this window can permanently bar a family from recovering compensation, regardless of how strong the evidence may be. Certain circumstances, such as deaths involving defective products or medical malpractice, may involve additional statutes of repose or discovery rules that affect when the deadline begins. Because these exceptions are narrowly applied, it's crucial to consult experienced legal counsel early in the process. What damages and losses are covered under wrongful death lawsuits? The Ohio wrongful death statute allows families to recover a broad range of damages that reflect both financial and emotional loss. The total recovery is distributed among eligible survivors under the supervision of the probate court. Common types of recoverable damages include economic damages such as medical bills, funeral expenses, and burial costs. Loss of financial support the deceased would have contributed. Loss of companionship, guidance, and care for the surviving spouse and children. Mental anguish and emotional distress experienced by surviving family members. Prospective inheritance or benefits lost due to the premature death. Loss of household services or contributions provided by the decedent. Punitive damages in cases involving reckless or intentional conduct. What are the steps to file a wrongful death lawsuit in Ohio? The 6 steps in the wrongful death claim process. 1. Appoint a personal representative through probate court to act on behalf of the estate. 2. Consult an attorney experienced in wrongful death claims to evaluate the case and applicable statutes. 3. Gather evidence such as medical records, witness statements, and documentation of financial losses. 4. File the lawsuit in civil court within the 2-year statute of limitations. Engage in discovery to exchange information and build a comprehensive case. 5. Negotiate a settlement or, if necessary, prepare for trial. 6. Obtain court approval through probate court for the distribution of any compensation among beneficiaries. What evidence is used in a wrongful death claim? Evidence is the foundation of every wrongful death case, helping to prove how the death occurred and who is legally responsible. The quality and strength of the evidence often determine whether a family can successfully recover compensation in civil court. Key evidence in a wrongful death lawsuit may include medical records and autopsy reports establishing the cause of death, accident reports or police investigations detailing how the incident occurred, photographs and videos showing injuries, accident scenes, or hazardous conditions, witness statements from individuals who saw or have knowledge of the event, employment and income records proving financial dependency and loss of support, funeral and burial receipts documenting out-of-pocket expenses, expert testimony from doctors, accident reconstructionists, or safety specialists, communication records such as emails or internal documents showing negligence or policy violations. Do I need an attorney to file a wrongful death case in Ohio? While Ohio law allows a personal representative to file a wrongful death claim, working with an experienced attorney is essential for pursuing justice under the legal and procedural requirements involved. Wrongful death cases often include detailed investigations, insurance negotiations, and court oversight through probate proceedings, all of which require legal precision. An attorney ensures the claim is filed correctly, supported by strong evidence, and brought within the statute of limitations. Piscitelli Law Firm, experienced wrongful death attorney. The aftermath of a wrongful death is overwhelming, leaving families searching for answers, accountability, and a sense of justice. The Piscitelli Law Firm provides experienced legal representation to help Ohio families hold negligent parties responsible and recover the financial and emotional compensation they deserve. Our firm handles every aspect of the case, from investigation to negotiation to probate approval, so you can focus on healing. We fight to make sure every loss, from financial hardship to emotional pain, is fully recognized under Ohio law. Because we work on a contingency fee basis, you won't pay any legal fees unless we win compensation for your family. If you've lost a loved one because of another's negligence, contact the Piscitelli Law Firm for a free consultation today. We'll listen to your story, explain your legal options, and help your family take the first step toward justice and closure. Visit getfrankgetjustice.com today.